I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
What it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be touching on Nano Dimension, ticker symbol NNDM. All right. This was a requested stock video update. So if you have any stocks that you want me to do an update on or an analysis on, comment it down below, and I got you guys with an upload for that. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're going to tap into what's been going on with Nano Dimension. All right. It's been, kind of trading downwards for a while, and we want to see why, if there's any news behind that, or if it's just a downwards period. Okay, so I'm going to touch over some news about this stock, and for people that are new to what this stock is all about, I will cover a little bit about what they do. Okay, so without further ado, let's hop straight into it, and we're with Nano Dimension. Okay, guys, so today we're currently sitting at $7.32. It's still during the trading day, so we'll see what happens, but it is down a little over 6% for the day, so it looks very bad as of right now. But let's see what is, why this is happening. Okay, so that's how it's doing for the day. Let's see how it's been performing for the past few months. So for the past few months, it's been down a little over 20%. Okay, a little over 20%. And it seems like when we had the market correction, these stocks just haven't bounced back yet. Nano Dimension is one of those stocks that still needs to recover. Okay, think of Neo and Tesla. I have both of those in my portfolio, and they still haven't recovered yet, right? Some of my other tech stocks have recovered, but it's just a part of the game. Sometimes these stocks just need a little bit of time to bounce back, and then they will blow. Okay, so let's also look at the 52-week high. Okay, just so we have an understanding of where the stock has been before. So this stock has reached the $17.89 point. Okay, so it looks pretty good. We know that they have touched that before, and it's a possibility that that could happen again, right? So for people that are new to the stock, this stock engages in the provision of intelligent machines for the fabrication of manufactured electronics. Basically, it's this: they have machines that handle the 3D printing. Okay, it says its products and services include the Dragonfly Pro system. That's one of their, one of their machines, and it conducts and insulates inks for printed electronics, and is optimized fully material design of complex electronics. So they have machines or products, and they have the technology to create 3D printed objects efficiently, right? That's what they do. That's what they focus on, right? So if you're new to the stock, that's just a brief explanation of what this company does. Okay, so they're in the 3D printing space. But let's hop into some news and see what's actually going on with it. Is there something that we should be worried about? Let's hop into it. Okay, so this article is titled "Why Nano Dimension Stock Fell 12.7% in March." Okay, we're almost halfway through April, but this will give us an idea of what's going on. So it says, what happened? Shares of Nano Dimension slipped 12.7% in March, according to S&P Global Market Intelligence. Okay, it says the stock lost some ground amid a broader pullback for growth-dependent tech stocks last month. See, so a lot of the tech stocks were killed last month, but some of them have already bounced back. They're reaching their way back, or they are still trying to, grab up that energy to be able to bounce back up. Like I said, Neo and Tesla still need to recover. So Nano Dimension is no different. It says, last month, the 3D printing specialist share price did rise with their fourth quarter report in the middle of the month. So it seems like they had a good fourth quarter report, and that is essential for these businesses out here. Okay, the earnings shows you how great the company has been performing, right? So let's hop into what actually happened in that fourth quarter report. It says Nano Dimension published its fourth quarter report on results in March, and they posted a revenue of 1.97 million in the period that was roughly in line with last year's performance. So the revenue is about the same, but the company ended the year with 671 million in cash and bank deposits, and has been raising money by selling more stock. It says Nano Dimension now has a market capitalization roughly of 2.1 billion. That is good for this company. They're raising money and they have more capital to venture out into more projects. Okay. It says up from its market cap of roughly 5.9 million 1 year ago. Okay. So they've raised a lot of money so that they have enough capital, like I said, to get this business up and ramping up in business. Okay. So it says, so what? Nano Dimension got caught up in the broader pullback for growth dependent tech stocks, like I mentioned, but it looks like the momentum is picking up at this business. Like I said, the financials are showing us solid evidence that this company is doing what they're supposed to do. Okay. So I wouldn't be too worried if you're holding this stock or if you're looking to get in. It looks like a great buying point because, it's trading far from its 52-week high. Okay. It says the stock has skyrocketed amid an increasingly favorable outlook on its dragonfly 3D printing machines, which are being used for additive manufacturing of semiconductors and other complex electronic components. Semiconductors. Okay. If you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, we talked about this before. Okay. A lot of these car companies and EV companies were having trouble finding a place to receive these semiconductors. So this is connected here. I mentioned that NIO and Tesla are down. They need semiconductors. Nano Dimension is down. So there's a correlation here, right? So when you see the EV sector growing and it's bouncing back, expect Nano Dimension to do the same thing, right? It's all connected. It's all connected here, guys. So I wouldn't be too worried if you're holding this stock. It just takes time. So I want to pull up this other article that basically said this is the key point. Okay. They said a closer look into Nano Dimension, right? It says there might actually be the potential for a share price doubling within the stock. It says in February, the stock reached a 52-week high, like we've seen, of 1789. Okay. It says, besides, we should maintain a long-term perspective. Yeah. You guys should always expect a long-term potential with these stocks. If you see long-term potential, you know that you're going to get your money's worth within the stock. Okay. It says a year ago it was only trading at 65 cents, and it has shown investors that they are worth the price that they're at. Okay. It says, in other words, the stock is capable of making outsized price moves. Patience is key here. Okay. Patience is key. And it's much easier to be patient if you believe that the 3D printing market has room to grow. Okay. There you have it. Patience is key here. If you're holding this stock, patience is key. Long-term investing always wins because it just shows, that, time is really what matters here. Okay, guys. So don't be worried if you see that you're down in your position in Nano Dimension. It seems like they still have a solid business. They're increasing their efforts to, grow the business. They have a great system, the Dragonfly, to do what they do best. And, once this sector ramps up, this stock will be right along with it. Okay, guys. So that is a brief overview of what's going on with Nano Dimension. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I have more updates on the way. And if you need any more updates, comment which stocks you need down below. Okay, guys. I will see you in the next video. So let's get it and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.